Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to make your own original sound in TikTok and other can use your sound in their videos. First thing you need to do is record a video with your own audio. If you want to use your own voice, you can do a voiceover or you can just record an audio with the clip. Now open TikTok and then tap on plus icon. Upload the video that you just recorded, add video effect or text if you want and hit next. Add a description and post the video. Once the video has been published on TikTok, close and relaunch TikTok. Go to your profile and then open the video you just published. Tap on the sound icon at the bottom right-hand side. You can see that the new original audio clip has been created in your name. You can tap on the audio name once and rename it. Now anyone on TikTok can search for your audio and then use it in their own video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.